Hello guys, you are watching Voice Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am explaining you the chapter coding section and special curves. In that, parallelogram method means you have to draw a parabola by parallelogram method. So how to draw, I am showing you with my basic skills. So please, you also try by yourself for this. For those who are doing diploma, ITI or engineering, because this problem is of 15 to 10 marks. Okay, so before doing this problem, please try by yourself. Please, and also watch my videos till the end, then only you will come to understand. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. And now I am going to explain my problem. Inscribe a parabola in a parallelogram of sides 100 mm and 50 mm with included angle of 75 degree by intersecting line method. Okay, parallelogram method and rectangle method is same, but in parallelogram the extra 75 degree angle he will give you. So you have to draw a parallelogram. Means parallelogram is somewhat tilted like this. A rectangle you will have, but angle you will have a somewhat tilted. In the question he gave you 75 degree. Okay, then to draw the rectangle, he gives you the two sides 100 mm and 50 mm. So you have to draw a parabola by parallelogram. So by parallelogram you have to inscribe a parabola by parallelogram method. So how to do, I will show you. How much is the side? 100 and 50. First you have to construct a parallelogram. So how to construct? First you draw a parallelogram. The side is 100 mm. So draw 10 centimeter. 100 means 10 centimeter. Then after, take your protractor, keep on one end like this, and takes how much angle? 75 degree. 75 degree means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Put a dot. Same process to the other end of the line. Keep your protractor 75 degree. To put a dot. With these two dots, you have to draw a line of 50 mm. How much? 50 means this much is 50. So draw 50 line with that point. From here with that point 50 mm. 50 I have drawn. The remaining line you have to draw. Okay, means this parallelogram you have constructed. Then after you have to label it as A, B, C, D. Then after you have to divide this 100 mm into half, means 5. Then same as here 5. Then draw a line like this, label it as M and N. Then after you have to divide this line into 8 equal parts, and this line into 4 equal parts, and this line into 4 equal parts. Means this line is of 10 centimeter. So to divide 10 into 8 equal parts, each part will be of 10, 5 means 1.2. 1.2 distance you have to take. 1.2 means 12 mm distance. 12 mm distance you have to take. Like this. Okay, by taking these points, you have to number these points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have divided this 10 centimeter line into 8 equal parts. Now this line you have to divide into 4 equal parts. This line is of 50. So this is also, if you divide this 50 into 4 equal parts, each part will be of 1.2 centimeter means 12 mm. 12. Same here, 12. Each part we have to do. Over. Now after dividing into 4 equal parts, you have to number here also. If 1 is here, you have to label it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and here 6 is nearer, 6 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash. Like this you have to do. Then after you have to draw the lines from M to 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash respectively, from M to 1 dash. How? I will show you. Adjust your mini drafter from M 1 dash, and from M to 2 dash, and from M to 3 dash, same as for 4 dash, from M to 4 dash, M to 5 dash, M to 6 dash. Okay, now you have to draw the lines, perpendicular lines, not exactly perpendicular, with the angle. This angle is set of having 75 degrees. So adjust your mini drafter with that angle like this. Now from the 1, you have to draw the lines till 1. Okay, like this. And from 2 till 2 dash you have to do. And from 3 till 3 dash line. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Like this you have to do. This will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Then remaining 4, 5, 6 you have to do till 5 dash and then 6 dash like this. And this point will be P4, P5, and this will be P6. After removing the points, you have to draw a parabola with your free hand. For example, starting from D to P1, P1 to P2, P3. First you draw the curves as faint. You have to first draw these curves with faint lines, then P6, then C. Now you have to darken this parabola like this. Okay, your complete solution of the parabola you have constructed by parallelogram method. Now you have to show the dimension also as given in the question. How much is the angle? He has given you the angle. This angle we took 75 degree. So 75 you have to show. And also you have to show this line dimension 100 mm. You have to extend the lines from the each end like this. Then draw a dimensioning line. Dimensioning line you have constructed with the arrow marks. Now this is of 10 centimeter means 100 mm, and you have to show this also, that is of 50. Show this side as 50 as given in the question, 50. This is the complete solution of the parabola by parallelogram method. So guys, if you like my videos, please watch till the end and practice by yourself. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel. And also please comment in my YouTube channel inbox if you like my videos. Thank you.